This is the power button. Short press to check built-in battery level. Short press plus long press to power on. In the powered on state, briefly press to switch between screen off and screen on. Short press and long press to power off. The side button on the right screen edge, which allows you to view button mapping functions on the screen side. The left screen edge button and 5-dimensional custom button can be customized as shortcuts in the remote controller settings to improve work efficiency. This is the emergency stop button. When performing tasks, pressing the button will immediately pause the task, and the aircraft will hover in its current position. This is the status indicator light. It is green when connected to the aircraft, red when not connected, and flashes red when the aircraft's battery is low, indicating that it should return as soon as possible. This is the battery indicator light. Ensures sufficient battery level during operation. Smart RTH button. Long press to activate Smart Return. Short press once to cancel Smart RTH. Return button. Single click returns to previous interface. Double click returns to system homepage. Remote controller joystick. Left joystick controls flight altitude and aircraft heading. Right joystick controls aircraft forward / backward movement, and left / right lateral movement. During landing, gently pull the joystick until the aircraft touches the ground. Then pull the joystick to the bottom until the propeller stops. Then release the joystick. Dual controller mode. Flight control authority button. Red when not connected to the aircraft. Light blue when connected but without control authority. Short press to obtain control authority, green. Long press to lock control authority, blue. Short press again to cancel the lock. Flight mode switch. Can switch between sport mode, normal mode, and stable mode. Sport mode flight speed is 20 meters per second. Stable mode speed is 3 meters per second. Normal mode flight speed is 15 meters per second. Left dial is the gimbal pitch control dial. HDMI interface can connect to other display devices. USB-A interface can connect to RTK high-precision positioning module and charging devices. Right dial, when used with the flagship winch system. Pushing right releases the cable. Pushing left retracts cable. The cable release / retraction speed can be adjusted by the degree of dial rotation. FPV and map switching button. Click to switch the screen. This is the battery compartment switch. Press to open the battery compartment. Battery compartment, used for installing WB37 smart battery. This is the fixing switch. Press to remove the external battery. DJI cellular dongle compartment can install SIM card. SD card slot can insert SD card. USB-C interface can be used for fast charging, connecting to computer for updates, etc. More functions can be viewed in the function guide on the remote control homepage. When the aircraft needs to be paired with a new remote controller, linking is required. On the remote control main interface, click the connection status, select remote controller 1. During dual control operation, the other controller should select remote controller 2. Press and hold the smart battery power button for 5 seconds, and the power light will flash in sequence to trigger linking. After dual controller linking is completed, click the flight control authority button to flexibly switch control rights.